The knitting pattern for my double cable scarf is officially out today, and I'm going to take you along and show you how to make it. You can also purchase the pattern on Etsy and Ravelry if you'd like to support me. I appreciate it, but I'm going to show you step by step what to do. You'll see that the design of this scarf combines seed stitch with cabling, and it's perfect for all levels. If you can knit and purl, you can make this scarf. I like to point out that the cables on this look good on both sides. That's because it's actually a ribbed cable rather than just a standard knit cable. So you can see that the pattern looks good on both sides. You'll start your pattern by casting on 28 stitches. You can use any method of casting on. If you need help, I'll link my casting on video for you in the notes, but I like to use the long tail cast on. Diving into the first row, we're going to create some seed stitch for the edges of our project, which means we're going to purl one, knit one, purl one, knit one. That's the seed stitch section in the first 4 stitches. Then we'll want to look at the cable section, and the cable section is made of 8 stitches, so that one's going to be knit one, purl one, knit one, purl one. Repeat that one more time so that you have those 8 stitches. Then once again, we'll come to another seed stitch section, which we'll need to start with a purl one, knit one, purl one, knit one, just for those 4 stitches. And then another cable section, which starts with a knit one, purl one, knit one, purl one, knit one, purl one, knit one, purl one. So you do that for those 8 stitches again. Finally, on this row, we hit the last seed stitch section, which will be a purl one, knit one, purl one, knit one. Once we've come to the second row, we'll switch hands and knit one, purl one, knit one, purl one, all the way across the row. You'll just alternate knit one, purl one for the entire 28 stitches. And of course, during the video, I'm running out of my yarn, so I'm gonna have to actually switch my ball of yarn. But I just do that by, when I'm on a knit stitch, I add in the second ball of yarn like this. And then once I finish the row, you'll see that I'll tie it together, and then later I deal with weaving in the ends. You can add a ball of yarn at any point in any way that you see, but that's just how I do it. It's a little bonus for you. Okay, now that we've added the yarn, we can get back to finishing this row. Again, this first row is just knit one, purl one all the way across. Now, if you're just starting the scarf, you'll repeat these same 2 rows for up to the 5th row. So you'll repeat row 1, row 2, row 1 once more at 5 rows. Then for your 6th row, we'll start a cable row. Now that we're on the cable row, we're going to do the first 4 stitches are, again, our seed stitch. So we start with a knit one, purl one, knit one, purl one. Then we're going to slip 4 stitches purlwise from our left needle onto either a cable needle or, like me, a circular needle. You'll then do a knit one, purl one, knit one, purl one from your left needle while holding your cable needle in front. Once you finish those 4 stitches, you're going to knit from either your cable needle or your circular needle. Again, a knit one, purl one, knit one, purl one. Now that our stitches are off the cable needle, we've finished our first cable, we need to do another seed stitch section, which is knit one, purl one, knit one, purl one. Once again, we'll repeat the cable and we'll slip those 4 stitches onto our circular needle and hold those stitches in front. We'll then do a knit one, purl one, knit one, purl one from the left needle, and then a knit one, purl one, knit one, purl one from the cable needle. Then you've completed your second cable. Final section is again a seed stitch. So with this row, we're going to do a knit one, purl one, knit one, purl one, and that completes our cable row. Now your next row is going to be like your first row, which is the one that starts with a purl one. You can go back and look at this timestamp that you see on the screen, and that will take you back to what that next row will be. That is your 7th row. Then your 8th row will be just the knit one, purl one. Your 9th row will be the second way to do it, and so on. You'll do this until you reach row number 15. Row 16 is going to be another cable row. I'll type this out in the notes in case you need it, but for the complete pattern, I promise it's helpful to have the printed version. You can find it on my Etsy or Ravelry. I hope you make this scarf. Let me know if you have any questions along the way. I'm happy to help. And be sure to tag me over on social media and subscribe for more patterns and pattern details here on YouTube.